This is the practice test for decimals, and here we're working on problem number 4, and it asks us to write the following in standard form. And we have this number here. Standard form means in number form, and we have the number in word form here, 10,305 and 22 thousandths. So our first step is to find the word and we know that that's our decimal point. And then anything to the left of that is going to be the whole number. So in this case, we have our decimal point here, and in front of that to the left, we have 10,305. So this would be the whole number. And then we have the decimal point, the word and. On the right-hand side of the decimal point, we have 22 thousandths. So we're going to have the whole number 22, but we have to make sure that the last digit falls in the thousandths place, which is the third decimal place to the right. So that means we have to put a 0 in front here to move that last 2 out to the thousandths place. Last number to the right must fall in the thousandths place in this number here. So this is our answer, and we look up here and we would find that this would be letter D would be the answer.